Hello everyone, myself Kainat Bano. Welcome you all on this online study platform. Today we will discuss our lesson third, that is leaves around us. So let's start. Here in this lesson we will discuss about leaf, parts of a leaf, different kinds of leaves, types of leaves, uses of leaves, shedding of leaves and compost. Leaf. Leaves are one of the most important parts of a plant. As you have seen children, most of the leaves are green, thin and flat. They produce food and so they are known as food factories. Photosynthesis. It is derived from the Greek word photo meaning light, synthesis meaning putting together. It is the process in which plants make their own food with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. It means that plants are special because they do not have to look for food as they make their own food. They take up nutrients from the soil through their roots and stems carry them up to the leaves, which ultimately prepare the foods. Leaves have stomata on their underside. Stomata are small pores that help the plants to breathe. These stomata take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now, parts of a leaf. The top tip of the leaf is known as apex. The side wave of the leaf is known as margin. The small line in the leaf is known as veins. The midrib or main vein divides a leaf into two equal parts. Base, base from where the leaf and branch is connected. Petiole. The leaf stalk or petiole is the part that attaches the life of the stem. Now, stipule. The two small leaf near the branch is known as stipule. So that's all about parts of a leaf. Now, different kinds of leaves on the basis of color. The green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. Here in the picture of leaves, we can also see chlorophyll. Most leaves are green due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll, which helps plants to make food using water, air and sunlight. Here are the example on the basis of different color of leaves. First one is caladium, then coleus leaf, then croton leaf. Leaves that are not green also have chlorophyll, but it is hidden. Now on the basis of size and shapes, some leaves are big like papaya and lotus leaves and some are small like neem and tamarind leaves. Lotus and water lily leaves are big and round and people leaves are heart shaped. Here in this picture we can see that people leaves in heart shape and lily leaves in round shape. Special leaves. In desert plant like cactus, leaves are reduced to spines to conserve water. The aloe vera plant also store water in its leaves, hence they are thick. Smell and texture. Some leaves such as coriander, mint, curry leaves and tulsi have a distinct smell. The leaves of basil and neem are soft. Those of sunflower and rose plant have a rough texture and those of the rubber plant are leathery. It means that some leaves have distinct smell, some are very soft while some are very rough texture. Types of leaves. Before going to study about types of leaves, we should know about leaflets. Leaflets. Leaf, Leaves come in different sizes, shapes and arrangement. Some leaves are made up of many smaller leaves called leaflets. Sometimes the leaflets grow in pair. Here we can see that leaflets and leaflets in pair. There are two types of leaves. First one is simple leaf and second one is compound leaf. Simple leaf. A simple leaf has a single leaf blade. We can look in picture. Compound leaf. A compound leaf has several leaflets. We can look in the picture. Now, uses of leaves. The oxygen that we breathe in is released by the leaves during the process of photosynthesis. We eat leaves such as spinach, cabbage, fenugreek, and betel. Leaves like bay leaf and dried fenugreek are used as spices. The leaves of plants such as neem and tulsi are used as medicine. In tea, we used dry leaves of the tea plant. We also use banana leaves as a pattal. The dried leaves of henna and indigo are used for dyeing hair and clothes. Shedding of leaves. Once a year, many plants shed their leaves. These leaves are dry and lose their chlorophyll. Thus, there is a change in color and texture. Some shed all their leaves once a year. Example, chinar, maple and aspen. Compost. Compost is a type of fertilizer that is made from rotting plants. Fallen leaves are used to make compost, which is used as a fertilizer and restores the lost nutrients of soil. The leaves are collected in a pit and allowed to rot by mixing them with soil and water. How to make compost? First of all, we will choose a place. The choose will be ideal compost area is and it will be dry, seddy, which is near the water source. Now add the ingredients such as brown materials like peels of vegetable and foods, leftover foods, dry leaves and etc. Then add water as needed. Keep things moving. Turn your compost mixture to add air to the mix. This helps speed up the composting process. Wait a while till the compost become brown. Now we can use the compost as fertilizer for the agriculture process. That's all about this lesson. I hope you all have understood. Now assignment. Learn the following difficult words. First, factories, photosynthesis, petiole, vents, stomata, chlorophyll, compound, shedding, compost, texture. Find out the answer of these questions and learn it. When do trees shed their leaves? What are the types of leaves? Thank you and have a nice day.